Welcome to Voice Coach with Well Said Studio. Today, we'll dive into the art of crafting flawless voiceovers using Render by Sentence. Perfecting your productions with the right emphasis and impeccable timing has never been easier. Start by entering your script, then select Render by Sentence from the drop-down. Click Create and watch as each sentence transforms into its own unique audio clip. Next, listen and adjust each take as needed. With Render by Sentence, you can fine-tune your script and control your timing.
Light up your moments with our zesty lemon scented soy candles.
Enhance the sentence with commas, providing it with structure and rhythm.
Light up your moments with our zesty lemon scented soy candles.
In other takes, draw attention to key phrases by placing them in quotation marks.
Indulge your senses today.
Once you've chosen the versions you like, rename your clips and download your project. Individual clips offer accurate audio-video synchronization. Enjoy another perfect production, crafted just the way you like. Keep learning and keep creating.